Why Japan has hot corn soup in vending machines. Winter night in Tokyo.
It's freezing. I feel like my fingers are gonna fall off. I need something warm. Coffee? Tea? Anything. Wait, what is this? Corn potage? In a can? Hot corn soup from a vending machine? Is that even legal? Clunk. Whoa, it's actually hot. Like, holding a fresh baked potato hot. Japan is living in the year 3000. A hot meal on a street corner. Surprisingly good. Rich, creamy, and are those actual corn kernels? This is the best dollar I've ever spent. Alright, finishing up. Come on, get in my mouth. The last kernel. It won't come out. Why? It's right there. Sticking to the bottom.
The eternal struggle of the corn potage. Confused in Japan? Don't worry, we've all been there. See you next time.